In the upcoming assembly polls in Bihar, Chirag Paswan's Lok Janshakti Party will contest alone. It was decided that the party will break away from NDA at the parliamentary board meeting of the party on Sunday. The LJP will contest on 143 assembly seats out of 243, sources said. The party had earlier hinted at implementing the Manipur model again, where the party had contested 2017 polls alone and later its only MLA had joined the BJP government. The party will opt to have a friendly contest against the NDA partners in Bihar, the sources aware of the development said. The LJP leadership has clarified earlier that they will put up a candidate against the JDU and not the BJP. Moving on to the next news, Congress's Rahul Gandhi promised Punjab farmers today that the party will remove the contentious farm sector laws once it comes back to power in the centre. Calling minimum support price, food procurement and wholesale markets the three pillars of the country, Mr. Gandhi said Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants to destroy this system. Their only aim is to destroy MSP and food procurement. The Congress is never going to let this government do it, he added, flagging off the three-day tractor rally by farmers in Punjab. Moving on to the next news, Bhim Army Chief Chandrasekhar Azad this evening met the family of the 20-year-old woman who died in Delhi after alleged gang rape and torture in Uttar Pradesh, Hathras. The Bhim Army Chief marched for about 5 kilometers after he was stopped by the police for the first time. He was stopped again when he entered Hathras and was told that not all people walking with him will be allowed. Demanding Y+ category security for the family, Chandrasekhar Azad this evening said, when Kangana Ranaut can be given Y+ security, meetings are being held to back the accused. I demand that the government arranges Y+ category security for the victim's family. We have all seen that the CBI follows the government's orders. Moving on to the next news, over 4 lakh restaurants, bars and hotels in Maharashtra will reopen on Monday after a gap of 6 months. They were shut down along with most businesses across the country under the nationwide lockdown in the wake of coronavirus pandemic. This move, announced by Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on September 28, will bring relief to the state's hospitality industry, which approximately generates over Rs 18,000 crore in revenues and employs around 2.4 crore people directly and indirectly. Moving on to the next news, Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan on Sunday said the government plans to provide COVID vaccines to around 25 crore people of the country's 130 crore by July 2021. The health minister also added that the government would receive between 400 and 500 million vaccines for this purpose and that it would ensure equitable accesses. State and UT governments had been advised to send details of priority population groups by the end of October for the sections of the population that will be first in line to receive the vaccine. Vaccine procurement is being done centrally and each consignment will be tracked in real time. Priority will be given to frontline healthcare workers, the minister said.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.